What is up everyone? In this video, we're going to be going over Jobscan and Resume. So both of these are actually popular resume optimization tools, but depending on what you need, one might be better than the other. So in this video, we're going to be breaking both of them down. So both Jobscan and Resume both help you to optimize your resume to match your job description, get keyword suggestions based on applicant tracking system scans, and they also improve things like wording, formatting, and impact. And another thing, they also help you boost your LinkedIn profile, which is also cool. But let's go over the key differences to get a better picture. So Jobscan is best for people who want ultra detailed resume matching. So you can simply copy and paste your resume and the job description. It also gives you a match score like 75% match and shows you exactly what keywords you're missing. And if that isn't enough, it also checks for soft skills, hard skills, job title tweaks, and more. You also get suggestions to improve your ATS compatibility, which is also huge. So if you're applying to big companies that use a strict ATS system, Jobscan can really give you a serious edge. But as for the cons, however, this platform is a bit more technical and dense. It also gives you limited free scans, so you likely need to go for the paid plan. But Resume, on the other hand, is great for people who want quick feedback and visual scoring. So you can literally upload your resume or LinkedIn URL and you instantly get an impact score, including tips on how you can optimize it. So it also has a super clean, easy to follow design, and it's also great for people who want style plus substance, especially if you're earlier in your career or refining your personal brand. But the cons, it's not quite focused on ATS as compared to Jobscan, and the keyword matching is lighter than Jobscan as well. So if you're trying to nail a job application at a place that uses softwares to filter out resumes, Jobscan is really gonna help you. But if you're more focused on making your resume or LinkedIn look really good and sound great, Resume might be an easier and friendlier option. So that's it for now. Make sure to let us know which one you prefer in the comments, and of course leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.